Hi everyone, it is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Wait, did a Neuralink patient just mind control a World of Warcraft raid?
Oh, I'm serious.
We are officially 100 days into the latest Neuralink trial. A British veteran named Jon Noble just revealed that he is now exploring Azeroth hands-free. He isn't just moving a cursor, he's scrolling, typing, and fighting in raids using nothing but his intentions. As an IT professional, I'm looking at the information transfer rate. Jon is hitting over 10 bits per second, which is actually faster than some people can move a physical mouse. We are moving from user interfaces to neural interfaces. But for my fellow game developers, this is a massive challenge. Our games are built for keyboards and controllers. How do we design a UI for a brain? Neuralink is also starting to restore speech to ALS patients by translating brain activity into audible words in real time. So, would you get a chip in your skull if it meant you could play games with 0 millisecond latency? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If you want to stay synced with the future of BCI and gaming, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.